Unlock the power of this vital vitamin to halt proteinuria and rapidly restore kidney health. Introducing a miracle vitamin that's making waves in the world of nephrology. Its power to combat proteinuria and boost kidney health has caught the attention of healthcare professionals and patients alike. This essential nutrient is changing the way we approach kidney care. The discovery of the vitamin that halts proteinuria in its tracks is a breakthrough. By addressing the root cause of protein leakage into urine, it offers hope for those suffering from this condition, paving the way for healthier kidneys. Understanding how this vital vitamin repairs and heals the kidneys is fascinating. It works at a cellular level, enhancing kidney function and recovery. This rapid healing process is vital for anyone looking to improve their renal health quickly. The science backing this kidney-transforming vitamin is compelling. Research shows its significant impact on kidney function, demonstrating its ability to not only prevent but also reverse damage. This evidence provides a solid foundation for its growing popularity in kidney care. Incorporating foods rich in this kidney-healing vitamin into your diet is a delicious and natural way to boost your renal health. From leafy greens to fish, these nutrient-packed foods are essential for anyone looking to protect their kidneys. Understanding proteinuria begins with recognizing its causes and symptoms, such as foamy urine and swelling in body parts. Essential in combating this condition is a specific vitamin that has shown promising results in not only halting proteinuria but also in reversing kidney damage. The role of this vitamin in kidney health cannot be overstated. It aids in the repair of damaged kidney cells and prevents further injury by neutralizing harmful substances in the blood. Its preventive measures against kidney damage make it a cornerstone of kidney health maintenance. Clinical evidence supports the efficacy of this vitamin in improving kidney function. Studies have documented significant improvements in patients with chronic kidney diseases, including a decrease in proteinuria levels. These findings underscore the vitamin's potential as a therapeutic agent for kidney health. Safe dosage is crucial for reaping the vitamin's benefits without risking toxicity. Experts recommend a specific daily amount that ensures optimal kidney function. Adhering to this dosage can significantly enhance kidney repair and maintain its health without adverse side effects. Incorporating the kidney-healing vitamin into your daily routine is straightforward. Whether through diet, supplements, or a combination of both, ensuring you receive the appropriate dosage can lead to improved kidney health and general well-being, marking a pivotal step in managing proteinuria effectively. The impact of this essential vitamin on overall health extends beyond the kidneys. It plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced internal environment, supporting not only kidney function but also contributing to heart health, bone density, and immune system effectiveness. Debunking myths about this vitamin and kidney repair is vital. Contrary to popular belief, it's not a quick fix but a component of a holistic approach to health. Adequate intake supports kidney function and complements medical treatments, rather than replacing them. Patient success stories offer compelling evidence of the vitamin's transformative power. Individuals who once faced the daunting prognosis of chronic kidney issues report significant improvements in their condition, attributing their recovery to a disciplined approach to vitamin supplementation. Expert opinions underscore the efficacy of this vitamin in supporting kidney health. Nephrologists increasingly recognize its value in treatment plans, highlighting its ability to reduce proteinuria and improve kidney function when used alongside conventional therapies. The interplay between this vitamin and other kidney medications is a critical area of study. Understanding how it can enhance or interfere with other treatments is essential for optimizing patient care, ensuring that those suffering from kidney ailments receive the most effective, integrated treatment approach. Vitamin deficiencies can be silent culprits behind deteriorating kidney health. Specific vitamins play pivotal roles in maintaining renal function, and a lack of these nutrients may manifest as fatigue, weakness, and increased susceptibility to infections, signaling potential harm to your kidneys. The rapid response of certain vitamins against proteinuria is noteworthy. These essential nutrients can help reduce the leakage of protein in urine, a common symptom of kidney issues. Incorporating them into your diet can provide swift benefits, safeguarding your kidneys from further damage. Preventative measures are crucial in maintaining kidney health, and certain vitamins stand out in their ability to prevent issues before they arise. Regular intake can fortify your kidneys, making them more resilient against diseases and reducing the risk of developing proteinuria. The integration of vital vitamins into your daily routine doesn't just benefit your kidneys but also promotes a holistic approach to health. These nutrients support various bodily functions, ensuring that your entire system operates optimally, thereby enhancing your overall well-being. The economic implications of opting for vitamin-based interventions over traditional kidney treatments can be significant. Not only do vitamins offer a cost-effective solution, but they also minimize the risk of side effects associated with conventional medications, providing a viable alternative for long-term kidney health maintenance. Overcoming proteinuria isn't just a dream, it's a possibility with the right vitamin intervention. Incorporating this essential nutrient into your regimen can significantly reduce protein levels in your urine, marking a pivotal step towards restoring kidney function and overall health. The journey towards better kidney health is not solely dependent on medication. It's about making informed lifestyle changes, with this vitamin playing a central role. Adjusting your diet to include vitamin-rich foods can amplify the healing effects, providing a natural path to recovery. Maximizing the kidney-repairing effects of this vitamin requires more than just consumption. Understanding the optimal dosage, timing, and complementary nutrients can enhance its efficacy. It's about creating a balanced approach that supports your kidneys from multiple angles. The psychological uplift from improved kidney health cannot be overstated. Beyond the physical benefits, the assurance that you're actively contributing to your well-being can significantly boost your mental health, offering a sense of control and optimism in your health journey. Navigating the side effects associated with taking this vitamin is crucial for ensuring a smooth journey towards kidney health. While most people tolerate it well, being aware of potential reactions helps in adjusting dosages or incorporating supportive therapies to mitigate any discomfort. Hydration plays a pivotal role in enhancing the kidney healing powers of this vitamin. Adequate water intake supports the vitamin's function and assists in flushing toxins from the kidneys, maximizing the benefits and promoting overall kidney function and health. Combating advanced proteinuria with this vitamin offers hope even in severe cases. By addressing the root cause and supporting kidney function, this vitamin can make a significant difference in managing protein levels in the urine, offering a new lease on life for many. Building a support system is invaluable when incorporating this vitamin into your kidney health regimen. Sharing your journey, challenges, and successes with others can provide emotional support, practical advice, and motivation to stick with your treatment plan. Concluding thoughts on the long-term impact of this vitamin for kidney health highlight its potential to transform lives. Embracing this vitamin as part of a holistic approach to kidney care promises not only to improve kidney function but also to enhance overall well-being.